On a sunny summer day, a group of adventurous children set off on a trip to the hills. Among them was Amy, a brave and curious girl with a heart full of compassion. Little did they know that this trip would lead them to a remarkable encounter that would change their lives forever. As the children hiked through the lush green trails, their laughter echoed through the hills. They marveled at the breathtaking scenery, with tall trees and colorful wildflowers adorning their path. It was a perfect day for an adventure. As they ventured deeper into the hills, they stumbled upon a secluded cabin. It appeared abandoned and weathered, but there was a faint sign of life. Curiosity getting the better of them, the children cautiously approached the cabin. To their surprise, they found an elderly man sitting on the porch, his face wrinkled with age and his eyes filled with wisdom. His name was Mr. Wilson, a once adventurous soul who had spent his entire life in the hills. He had chosen solitude as his companion, cherishing the tranquility of nature. As the children conversed with Mr. Wilson, they discovered that he had injured his leg and was unable to walk. His supplies were dwindling, and he had been waiting for help to arrive. Touched by his plight, the children knew they had to do something. Together, they formed a plan to rescue Mr. Wilson. They gathered sticks, blankets, and other materials to fashion a makeshift stretcher. With unwavering determination, they carefully carried him down the hills, navigating treacherous terrain with cautious steps. Their journey was arduous, and they faced many obstacles along the way. But their unity and resilience propelled them forward. They encouraged one another, refusing to give up, and keeping their eyes fixed on the goal of bringing Mr. Wilson to safety. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, they reached the base of the hills. Exhausted but elated, they found help nearby and arranged for Mr. Wilson to receive medical attention. The children's act of bravery and compassion not only saved a life but also brought a sense of purpose and fulfillment to their own hearts. News of the children's heroic deeds spread throughout the town, and they were hailed as local heroes. But for the children, the real reward was seeing Mr. Wilson recover and witnessing the joy in his eyes as he realized he was not alone in the world. From that day forward, the bond between the children and Mr. Wilson grew stronger. They visited him regularly, sharing stories and laughter, bridging the gap between generations. In return, Mr. Wilson became their wise mentor, teaching them the importance of kindness, resilience, and the power of friendship. The children's journey to the hills not only brought them closer to nature but also revealed the beauty of the human spirit. They had discovered the true meaning of compassion and the incredible impact they could have on someone's life. As they looked back on that fateful trip, the children realized that their rescue mission had been more than just an adventure. It had taught them the value of empathy, the strength that lies within unity, and the profound difference they could make in the lives of others. And so, the memory of their encounter with Mr. Wilson would forever remain etched in their hearts, a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, a spark of compassion can ignite a flame of hope and change lives forever.